And now for the visual prop for this task, which is balance on one foot for 1 to 3 seconds with using visual prop. I have two ways, which is the very first one. In order to assist our children to maintain 1 to 3 seconds lift its legs up, I'm going to show a timer with 3 seconds and then just show it so that the children can wait up until 3 seconds. Only then they can put down their leg. So this one, I press start. And then 3, 2, 1, time's up, and then our children can put down their leg. And as for another way, which is the second option, I'm going to show you, we are going to show the kids on how the image of lift up one leg so that they can initiate the task to lift up leg and then they can maintain for 3 seconds. You can also pair them both, which is show first the first image to lift up one leg. And then you can start the timer for 3 seconds. And then once the timer stops, and then they can lift down their legs.